While Samsung is focused on delivering the One UI 7.0 beta update, it is also working on new security updates for its smartphones and tablets. Last week, the November 2024 security update was released for the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today it has been rolled out to the Galaxy S24. A new software update is being distributed for the carrier-locked versions of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in the USA. This update, which has the firmware version S92X USQS4AXJA, includes the November 2024 security patch. It addresses numerous security vulnerabilities identified in the previous software version. Samsung was initially set to launch the One UI 7.0 beta update at the end of July, but this rollout was postponed by several months. It now seems the company has resolved the most critical bugs and is gearing up to launch the One UI 7.0 beta program in the coming weeks. Reliable leaker Ice Universe has indicated that the One UI 7.0 beta update will likely take another 2 weeks before its release. If this information holds true, the first One UI 7.0 beta update could be available by mid-November 2024. He also noted that the latest internal beta build, with a firmware version ending in XJW, is highly feature-rich and more flexible than any previous versions that were leaked. Samsung has set up new subforums for the One UI beta program on its community forums in the US for both the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S23 series, which serves as another indication of an upcoming release. Currently, these subforums are empty, and it might take a few weeks before the first beta update goes live. Samsung is set to hold a developer conference in Korea on November 21st, where they may officially announce the beta program. Samsung provided a sneak peek of One UI 7 at SDC earlier this month, though they kept most details about the next OS version under wraps. Now, however, we have insights into what's coming with One UI 7. First up are redesigned icons. Samsung has emphasized these several times, aiming to make icons more recognizable, a move Google could also consider, given the similarity among many of its icons. Samsung is also introducing smart notification management and an enhanced lock screen, designed to make it easier to stay updated at a glance. One UI 7 animation might leave you amazed. Samsung is preparing its most significant update yet for Galaxy users. Recently, a video of the rumored One UI 7 animations appeared online, showcasing what may be Samsung's smoothest interface to date. Smooth animation shown by Ice Universe. Renowned leaker Ice Universe shared a video demonstrating the fluid animations of One UI 7. Let's dive in to see the improvements. Enhanced motion and transitions. The software shows a major enhancement in motion and transitions. The app launch and close animations are now much more stable and seamless, with no signs of glitches. New icons and widgets on display. The video appears to be a screen recording from a Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. You can spot the redesigned icons for settings, gallery, phone, and camera. Additionally, the weather widget has been updated with a slimmer look compared to One UI 6. Samsung's animation evolution. Galaxy fans will notice a distinct improvement in animation evolution with One UI. While Apple's iOS is famous for smooth animations and functional consistency, One UI 7 looks set to deliver a comparable experience. Expected release and SDC24 event. The One UI 7 beta is anticipated to launch by year's end. Samsung hasn't confirmed an exact date for the beta program's start, but we may hear significant updates at the SDC24 event in Korea on November 21st. Eligible models and regional beta availability. The Galaxy S24 series is certain to be included in the beta program. This year's beta might be shorter, covering specific models in 7 regions. Samsung has assured that both developers and general users will have access. Samsung's commitment to stability. Samsung plans to release a near-stable beta build for Galaxy users, prioritizing quality over speed. A minor delay is preferable if it means avoiding disruptive bugs that could hinder user experience. Excited for the One UI 7 beta? Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Galaxy news and insights. See you in the next video.